how clumsy Doofy is. Gonto, gonto, gonto.
Wait.
Mira, voy a hacer. No, papá.
You need to find the other ball.
Good. Oh, good job.
No legs.
No, down.
Oh, his tooth's coming out.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Alright, you lost your first tooth. Give us it. Alright.
He's losing it. Yes, he is.
I thought he chipped it or broke it or something.
No,
Oh, my little
use
boy's
that.
growing.
Why are you doing it so early?
That I get lots of love
Don't
from Anya and everyone.
I used to see me bringing him into the house. Oh my God, the cats all go on the counter, and he rolls on the ground, pees. Oh, I gotta get some goldfish. Dang. You need to get goldfish to put in there.
Hold on. It's okay, hold on. What is that?
That's going on Facebook.
Yeah. Well, I am videoing this part, so.
That's why I said that's gotta go on Facebook.
Hold on.
Their names are Olan,
Holland.
means healer, and Goyotele. Geronimo Wanyan. Because the white man, the blue ghost, could not say Geronimo?
Could say go up.
Oh, they couldn't say Goyotele.
But wasn't it also because they were Christian? It was like Saint Jerome
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Oop,
I'll give
butt
you
shot.
the number.
Butt shot.
Get that thing! Get that thing! He's so cute. I just love him so much. I just want to hug him and nuggle him and hug him.
That's close.
Now you guys sit down, act like them. Just get in, alright? You know what they do? They hide behind Mama.
Oh, yeah.
They hide behind
Get
Facebook.
in.
They go to
Yeah.
What? Finding the other ball. Oh, go get that.
What do you got? What are you eating? What's he eating?
I don't know.
Rock? No, piece of wood.
Oh.
Okay.
Come on, run, chase. Won't get you.
Oh, nicely done.
Won't get you.
Oh, that's nice.